Hey guys, this is the Wookie Natural back with another video. The following video you're about to see is my black soap shampoo recipe. So stay tuned for that and hope you enjoy it. Okay guys, this is what I'm using to make my black soap. Okay, I have my black soap shampoo. So here I have some African black soap. Don't look at the price, y'all. This is a pound of African black soap. So I'm only going to use 1/4 of that, which is 4 ounces. I kind of eyeballed this. This is glycerine with rose water. Don't look at the price on that. I got that from my beauty supply. Any olive oil. I'm just using this as a prop. I would like to use extra virgin olive oil or your oil of choice. A funnel, a strainer, jojoba oil, Jamaican black castor oil in the scent of your choice. If you want to add coconut oil, you can. You don't have to, like I said. Some measuring cups and 2 jars. These are sauce jars, y'all, but see, these are originally pasta sauce jars from Publix, but what I like about it is it has a measuring thing on the side. So I'm gonna say have 2 of something where you can measure. It doesn't matter, okay? And then I'm gonna show you the other 2 ingredients that I'm gonna use. Rosemary leaves, okay? Rosemary. And one more ingredient. The last ingredient is this mint, sweet mint. And of course, my kettle, okay? Which I'm gonna use to boil the water. Okay, so those are the ingredients that you will need to make this black soap. And I'm gonna tell you what I'm going to do. So first, I'm gonna concentrate on this. I'm gonna get like 2 tablespoons of this, really like 4 tablespoons of this, and fill one of the mason jars up with some hot water. Put my rosemary leaves in there, and it's gonna make it like a tea, an infusion. And the same thing I'm gonna do here with these mint leaves. I'm just gonna get a handful of the mint leaves, not quite a handful, but like a pincher full. So maybe like 1 or 2 tablespoons of that. And we're gonna put it in some hot water and let it steep and cool off, okay? So it's gonna make like a tea, you guys. So you need a grater. I just thought it was easier using a grater. And you'll need a knife, a nice sharp knife. So what you would do is measure out about 1/4 of this. Like I said, it's a pound, right? And measure out 1/4, cut it out, cut it in 3 chunks. And then what I do is grate it into a bowl. Guess I need a bowl too, you guys. Okay, so I'm not prepared. So I grate it, and then once my water is cool, I fill the mason jar up to the very top, which is 24 inches. Fill it up to the top, which is 24 inches, and then drop my black soap in there. It'll melt, and it'll make the black soap. Soap is very drying, and so it needs some other things to give it a little moisture so it won't dry out your hair. But it does have vitamins and minerals in the black soap, which is why we're going to use it, because my goal is to grow my hair. So I'm going to add some little black castor oil, just a little bit. Like the olive oil, I added about 2 tablespoons of that, a tablespoon of jojoba oil in there to give it some moisture. And then I shot some of this glycerine with rose water in there once it's melted up. And that's where you saw that big container. And then once I combine all the water from the rosemary and the sweet mint plus this black soap, the glycerine and all that. I mixed that up together, and I'm about to use that. That's what I'm going to use on my hair. So stay tuned, guys, and you'll see what I did. This bad boy. Okay, like I said, us Wookiees have to use what we have at hand. This was originally some pear juice drink, and I just love the bottle, so I decided to make this. You can look on YouTube for black soap shampoo, and I've added some different ingredients in here, but for right now, just know it is black soap shampoo. I did add some special ingredients into it. So I'm going to then wash my hair with this. Okay guys, I'm back. I have washed my hair, and I put it in this, my turby twist here. Taking it out. Okay, so generally, and it kept the color, which is good. Okay, so generally it feels nice and soft and moisturized. The only thing I would like to say is that when I was lathering up with it, it took a while to lather. And so the first time I ran the shampoo through, it didn't want to lather up. And then I had to wet my hair again after that, and then it started to lather up. So it feels good. Overall, it looked like it got my hair pretty clean. Okay, you can see in here. Look like it's clean and moisturized. It does not feel dry. So I'll let you know how it is in about a day or two. Okay, so until next time.